Welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be making some whipped Sheamango butter, as I like to say, or some Sheamango butter, or as others say, mango shea butter. For the base of this whipped Sheamango butter, we will be using some shea butter and also some mango butter. Now, I did get both of these off of Amazon, so I will link those in the description box below. These are both 100% pure, vegan, and cruelty-free. Some of the great benefits of Sheamango butter are that it's rich in vitamin A, calcium, vitamin C, folate, vitamin B6, iron, vitamin E, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and has a high content of fatty acids, which are great for moisturizing hair. Now, with my Sheamango butter, I will be using this for twist outs, braid downs, and to retain the moisture in my hair in general. With that being said, I will be adding a few extra oils that I know my hair loves and will benefit from. Alright guys, so we're just going to jump right in. I just want to show you guys how the butter looks in the package. Don't be like me and accidentally leave it in the car because it will melt. Take your butters and dice them up into small sections. The smaller the better, because you will be melting these and it will make it easier on you in the long run. To melt these butters, I'm using the double boiler method, which helps to keep those nourishing properties in. I definitely do not recommend microwaving this because it will take some of those great benefits away in addition to the nourishing properties. In my bowl, I already have my added oils, so I'm just going to add in my diced shea and mango butter. Stir the mixture until majority of the chunks have melted. A few pieces are fine, but for the most part, make sure the chunks have melted thoroughly. After you get it to the soupy consistency, leave this mixture in the freezer for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or long enough for a solid skin to form over top. After that, go ahead and take out your handy dandy mixer and start whipping. Whip the mixture until it is nice and fluffy. Y'all know I had to go ahead and slow things down because look at this fluff. This is beautiful. This looks like some icing on the best cake ever. Now, being that my mom is a little extra and artsy, she did go ahead and pipe the mixture into one of those old Talenti gelato containers, which made it perfect for storage. Here's what the final product looks like. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for tuning in.